Kone, Kone. Hey, Kone.
I see you, Kone.
Go crazy, Kone.
Come through, Kone.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Courtney, better known as Kone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be transforming this full lace 613 wig into this purple faux loc wig that you see to the right. Y'all, I can't believe I did this. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so boom. Here we go. We got this 613 full lace wig, honey. This is my first time. I'm about to lie. I colored the wig last year for myself when I went to Rolling Loud in Miami. So let me not even lie. This is my second time watercoloring a wig. As you can see, it has 4 clips total. 1 at the front, 1 at the back, and 2 on the sides. This is the hue of purple that I am attempting to achieve with this wig today. I will make sure to show the brand of hair that I'm using later on in this video. So to all my YouTube University graduates, do not use this red dye on human hair, on your lace. You know why? Because it's fabric dye and it will color the lace. Don't do it. So today I'm using Kiss Vivid Violet. I couldn't see what it was and I couldn't remember what it was, to be honest. And I'm using Adore Purple Rage. I'm going to mix those two and hopefully we're going to get the outcome that I am looking for. Don't mind my nails. Listen, it's the struggle out here. So I have my strand ready for my strand test because I'm not just going to dip my wig in there all willy-nilly. That's just stupid, honey. Don't do it. So I'm going to start mixing my colors. There is no specific ratio that I'm using. I'm kind of just eyeballing the color and seeing how it looks when it hits the water when I start mixing it to see if it's anywhere near the color of the Marley hair that I'm using. And boom goes the dynamite, honey. Look at that. Hey, now, let's see what it's looking like. Oh, is that a match? Match.com, honey. I'm not a professional wig dipper or anything like that, but I did see someone spray their lace with Got To Be glue spray to prevent the watercolor from getting on the lace. I mean, don't nobody want no purple scalp, but at the same time, y'all do be having that red rinse on y'all scalp. No shade. Now I'm just getting the wig nice and saturated with some water. I heard, the streets say that helps the color apply to the hair a lot better. So I'm gonna do what the streets say. Y'all know what time it is, right? Yeah, y'all know. So we need to do that dip again because the middle did not get any of that. No color was deposited. Not no color, but it's the lavender. As you can see, we need it to be a little bit darker than that. So round 2.
Oh my mama, oh my hood, that look fly, that look good, hey, hey. It look good, it look good, hey.
So I let that air dry overnight, and look at her. Look at my honey bun. She look good. Look at that. I even plucked that a little bit, y'all. Oh, I think I am plucking some. I haven't done faux locs in like 5 years, maybe 4 years. But originally I was just gonna go one by one, but I decided to put the entire head in plaits because it seemed like it would be a lot easier. So I am using Rastafari Bamboo Twist in Electric Purple and Magic Finger Studios Shine and Jam as my product. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So I thought that I had like press record from when I started to up until this point, but I never pressed record, so the joke is on me. Truthfully, you only need to see this done one time to grasp the concept, honestly, because all you're doing is taking the Marley hair and wrapping it around the braid. Personally, I do not like extremely neat faux locs. I would rather them have that distressed look. So as I wrap, I do it kind of messily because that's what I like. That's what I prefer, and you can do it how you want. So yes, this was the finished product. It was definitely a project. I hadn't done faux locs, like I said, in 4 or 5 years, so it took a little longer than I expected, but I did have fun doing it, and I'm happy with the outcome. So I'm gonna name her Jelly. Jelly for the jiggle. You can only wear jelly if you jiggle. That's it. That's all. This was also my first time using my actual professional camera. All of my previous YouTube videos were shot on my iPhone, so that was a project in itself, but the turnout was good, honey. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your mama, daddy, cousin, uncle, sister, baby mama, pastor, all them. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.